Hi, my name is Yeseul, and I had my first online learning experience this year as a senior in high school. Without knowing how much work, time management, and self-discipline online courses were going to require, I ambitiously took 3 of them: AP Biology, AP Chemistry, and Anatomy and Physiology. Although I was grateful for the opportunity to take these awesome classes that were not available at my school, trying to balance 3 online classes on top of my regular schoolwork was definitely not easy. But one thing that inspired me the most during my online courses and gave me motivation were the labs. When I first received my lab kits for my AP Bio and AP Chem classes, boy was I excited. I was finally going to own my very own set of laboratory equipment. A digital balance, test tubes, a test tube rack, beakers, and graduated cylinders. I mean, it was my childhood dream come true. This year, I have carried out a myriad of experiments and tests. As someone who likes to work with her hands, I loved the hands-on activities. For example, in my A&P class, I got to dissect a chicken leg, and it was fascinating to see how the tendons connected the muscles to the bones to allow for movement. Experiments like this, where I was not only able to explore the parts of the body, but also understand how and why they work through chemistry and biology, sparked a tiny passion inside me: the field of medicine. Now, medicine was always on my radar as a potential career path, but the labs in my VHS courses gave me a new perspective and experience of the human body that was undeniably intriguing. I learned that there is so much to know about the human body, and still so much yet to be discovered. I can't say for sure that there was just one lab or activity that seeded my interest in medicine and the human body, but rather it was an accumulation of all my labs. The gel electrophoresis, in which I analyzed DNA to see if children were related to their parents; the tonicity lab, in which I saw how cells responded to different concentrations of sucrose; and the Charles's Law lab, in which I observed the relationship between volume and heat. I've yet to figure out which field of medicine I want to go into, but one thing I know for sure is that I want to continue learning about the human body and use it to help and serve others. I want to thank my teachers for being so supportive and encouraging throughout the course, constantly giving feedback on my work. VHS Learning has helped me learn new things and discover things about myself that I would have never known without. The inspiration I gained from my VHS labs has been a great motivation in my life and will continue to be so. Thank you.